welcome to Canadian Desi Chef. Today we are making cucumber and pepper sandwich, which is the first video out of 6 types of sandwiches. This juicy, scrumptious sandwich will satisfy your gut completely. It is perfect preparation for tea parties, appetizers and picnic to name few. Let's start making it. I am using baguette here, which is a form of bread only. Smear the cilantro mayo on both the sides of the bread. Ensure covering all the corners. Then add washed fresh romaine lettuce, tear it into pieces and place it on a bun in a way to give it height and crunchy texture evenly. I am using Havarti cheese in this recipe for its springy texture, sweet and acidic notes. Sprinkle some seasoning salt on top of cheese. Now start layering sliced cucumber followed by thinly sliced orange, green, red and yellow bell pepper, while alternatingly sprinkle seasoning salt to build layers full of flavors. For seasoning salt and cilantro spread recipe, you can check out the last video on 6 kinds of spread. Once it is done, close it and then secure it with the help of wooden skewer. Then cut it on bias. Enjoy this delicious, refreshing sandwich with your family and friends. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon for more notification. We'll see you soon with another recipe. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn and grow. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.